Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today I am here to explain you a very interesting, very amazing poem that is The Wonderful Words. That is poem number 6 from our class 6th. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully. The Wonderful Words. My dear students, at the very starting, I would like to get you the meaning of the title of the poem. That is The Wonderful Words. Okay, at first, words. Let's talk about the words. शब्द क्या होते हैं? Means like just to create thoughts, just to communicate with the people, just to talk to the people. We need words. We'll have to make sentences. We'll have to create the words in our mind. We'll have to remember that. शब्द होते हैं जिनकी हेल्प से हम बातें करते हैं, किसी से कम्युनिकेशन करने के लिए, किसी से बात करने के लिए, कोई कन्वर्सेशन करने के लिए, कुछ समझाने के लिए, कुछ बताने के लिए वी नीड वर्ड्स, राइट. अब वर्ड्स कैसे हैं यहाँ पर? दी वंडरफुल, दी अमेजिंग वर्ड्स, दी मार्वलस वर्ड्स. तो कैसे वर्ड्स की बात हुई है, कैसे शब्दों की बात हुई है? Such words that they can impress people, they can make the people spellbound, right? Words must be effective, they need to have a very good impact on the people. So the wonderful words, my dear students, these are the words only which impress the people and which make the people upset. Alright, so now let us continue. Let us know that what actually has been described with the help of this poem by the poet. This very interesting poem has been composed by Mary O'Neill. Mary O'Neill ने इस पोएम को लिखा है. Alright, now let's continue. Imagine a world without language. कुछ देर के लिए सोचो, इमेजिन करो एक ऐसी दुनिया where no language is spoken, जहाँ पर कोई भी भाषा नहीं बोली जाती. All humans speak at least one language. हर इंसान केवल एक ही भाषा बोलता है. The words we speak, शब्द जो हम बोलते हैं, bring out our thoughts. हमारे जो थॉट्स हैं वो बाहर आते हैं from our mind, हमारे दिमाग से. Read the following poem on words. So poet says that let's read out this poem and try to understand the wonderful words. Poet says that never let a thought shrivel. Here is a new word that means to waste something or dry up something and die. So in the very first line poet says that कि कभी किसी थॉट को ड्राई अप मत होने दो, उसे वेस्ट मत जाने दो. नेवर लेट अ थॉट डाई, कि किसी भी विचार को खोने मत दो, उसे मरने मत दो. फॉर वॉन्ट ऑफ अ वे टू से इट, ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द वे, कीप सर्चिंग द वे टू लेट दैट thought come out and to create a thought what actually we need words, right? हमें शब्दों की ज़रूरत होती है, अच्छे शब्दों की ज़रूरत होती है. For making a good thought we need good words, right? So if you really want to speak something, if you really want to utter a very good thought, so we need good words. हमें अच्छे शब्दों की ज़रूरत होती है. For English is a wonderful game. Poet says that यहाँ पर गेम का मतलब लैंग्वेज से है. पोइट wishes to say that English is a wonderful language. Undoubtedly, it is. Right? People love to speak English because it has got its own impact. It it impresses the people. It attracts the people. It fascinates the people. And all of you can play it. Poet says that it is it is really very easy to learn this language. Anybody can learn it. Now let us move ahead. आगे बढ़ते हैं. All that you do is match the words. Poet wants to guide you. Poet wants to guide you that if you really want to speak something, if you really want to utter a good thought, so what you have got to do, you have got to bring out good words, nice words, positive words from your mind. You have got to make a meaningful sentence. You have got to make a very good transformation for making the people impress, for fascinating the people. So what is to be done here? Only match the words. Create good words in your mind. Then let it come out. To the brightest thoughts in your head. Head in the sense mind. Poet says that for creating good thoughts, amazing thoughts, positive thoughts, you need good words. You need bright words. So that they come out clear and true. If you people have got good words in your mind, words are clear. If you people have got clear words in your mind, so thought obviously has got to be clear and good and clean. Right? It may be easily understood by the people. It may be easily conveyed to the people by you. And hence handsomely groomed and fed. तो जब आपके पास अच्छे वर्ड्स होंगे, अच्छी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होगी, एंड it will certainly fascinate the people when it is groomed. I am talking about a positive thought, a good thought. एक अच्छी थॉट के बारे में बता रहा हूँ, एक अच्छे विचार के बारे में मैं बता रहा हूँ. Handsomely groomed. Handsomely groomed means once you people have got good words, and it is arranged in sequence, in manner, in a very good transformation, so it may be easily delivered to the people by you, and they can understand it very easily. For many of loveliest things have never yet been said. Poet says that sometimes it happens that means we have got very nice thoughts in our mind but haven't got words. लेकिन हमारे पास उन थॉट्स को बोलने के लिए, बाहर निकालने के लिए हमारे पास अच्छे शब्द नहीं होते हैं. We don't dare to speak it out. All right? हमारे पास बहुत अच्छे विचार होते हैं, थॉट्स होते हैं, बट वी पीपल हैवंट गॉट गुड वर्ड्स, नाइस थॉट्स, आई मीन नाइस वर्ड्स. तो कभी कभी अच्छी थॉट्स होने के बावजूद भी मीन्स लैकिंग ऑफ वर्ड्स, शॉर्टेज ऑफ वर्ड्स, मीन्स वी कैन नॉट स्पीक इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल, वी कैन नॉट डिलीवर गुड थॉट्स अमंग द पीपल. Although we have got very nice thoughts in our mind, but haven't got proper words, suitable words for that, so it remains unspoken. Now let us continue. Words are the food and dresses of thought. Poet says that कि जो शब्द होते हैं वो हमारी थॉट का एक खाना होते हैं, एक ड्रेस होते हैं. राइट? कहने का मतलब ये है कि जब मीन्स व्हेन फूड इज़ प्रिपेयर्ड, इफ़ इट इज़ डिलीशियस, सो whosoever is going to eat it, if it is delicious, then he or she will admire this. कि खाना अगर अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है, तो जो खाने वाला है, whosoever is going to eat it, he or she will certainly admire this, right? Praise this food, right? And suppose dress is fine, if the dress is fine, if the dress is fascinating, and someone he is going to put on, so after wearing this, like he or she looks like she looks beautiful or he looks handsome, so people will certainly admire, people will certainly praise. That means, look at the dressing sense, look at the dress, look at the dress. All right, they give it its body and swing. All right, so now then, in the form of a very good structure, means once you people have got good thoughts, positive thoughts, like sacred thoughts, so it becomes a body, thought becomes a body, right? And seems very beautiful, seems very handsome, right? And everybody praises, right? Now let us continue. And everyone is longing today to hear. आज हर कोई, means long का मतलब everybody is desirous, everybody desires to hear something new, to hear something positive, good thoughts, some fresh and beautiful thing. People are longing to hear something positive, something very fascinating, like in the form of words, in the form of thoughts, right? Everybody wants to listen to good thoughts, positive thoughts, my dear students. Now let us move ahead. But only words can free a thought from its prison behind your eyes. Maybe your mind is holding now a marvelous new surprise. In the last but not the least, poet says that, means like just behind our eyes, right? Means there is a prison, like in that, means in the prison of mind, in the prison of mind we have got many thoughts, good thoughts, positive thoughts, right? And only the words can free a thought, right? So poet says that, means keep uttering, uh, keep speaking good thoughts, so that the people may be fascinated by your positive thoughts, good thoughts, right? And poet says that in the prison of mind everybody has got good thoughts, positive thoughts, but everybody needs to have good words, positive words. So here the poet ends this poem. I hope you must have understood, my dear students. Thank you very much.